Hello, today I'm going to show you how to extract audio from a video on an iPhone. Let's start. First, you need to open Shortcuts. Here, tap on this plus icon. Tap on New Shortcut. Rename it as Video to Audio. Once the shortcut is created, tap on this eye icon from your bottom menu. Turn the toggle on for Show and Share Sheet. Then tap on Done from your top right corner. Now you'll see an item added that says Receive. You just need to select the first blue text right after to receive. When this menu opens up, tap on Clear from your top left corner. Then manually turn the toggle on for Media and tap the Done button. After that, on this page, go to the search bar from the bottom. Now search for Encode Media. Once it is added, tap on this arrow right next to Shortcut Input. Turn the toggle on for audio only. You can also change the format if you want, but the default one is good to go with. Then make sure the speed is normal. Then tap on the same arrow to close Details. Go to the search bar from the bottom and search for Save File. Select Save Files and then for Save, select the arrow to the right of Encoded Media. Make sure the toggle for Ask Where to Save is on. Once you're done, tap on Done from your top right corner. Once the shortcut is saved, go to the Photos app. Open a video of your choice and tap on this arrow from the bottom left corner. Here you'll find the option of Video to Audio. Simply tap on it. Now it will ask you where you want to save your file. Select a destination folder and it will also upload to your iCloud. Once you have selected a folder, tap on Open from the top right corner. Your audio file will be saved here. Go back and open Files. Then go to that folder where you have saved this file. You'll see your audio file has been saved here. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. And explain me how we're solving new problems every day.